Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today I'm going to show you pictures and clips of some of the best chin blackheads on the planet. While you watch, please click subscribe and the notification bell for updates. We'll show you various pimples, nose blackheads, and a few of my favorite pops. Blackheads are small dark lesions that appear in the skin, often on the face and neck. They're a feature of mild acne, but they can appear without other signs of acne being present. For quick reference, we'll put a link to our favorite pimple popper tools in the links below. Now let's look at a few more pops. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.